morning, everyone. This is Pastor Christian, and welcome to Kingdom Ventures. This will be our first official entry for this year, and this moto vlog will be about first times. First time kasi namin mag-long ride ng wife ko together on a motorcycle. First time din namin mag-camping together for 3 days and 2 nights dito sa Viewscape Nature Park. And first time din namin magse-celebrate ng wedding anniversary sa lubong ng birthday ko. But actually, this will be our fourth wedding anniversary and my 36th birthday celebration. And honestly, in preparing for this trip going to Tanay Rizal, di maiwasan yung excitement at may halong konting kaba. But once we got on the road, by God's grace and pagsunod sa traffic rules and signs, kaya naman pala. So, ang reservations namin is actually 2 p.m. Pero nakarating na kami ng past 3 p.m. coming from Makati. Then I picked up my wife in Cainta and finally here in Marilake. Kaya gutom na din kami since we opted to drive straight here at wala nang stopovers. So tara, let's go to the cafe first and let's have our late lunch. Right, so day 1, nandito kami sa Viewscape Nature Park. I think nasa pinakatuktok kami ng Antipolo. Kakain muna kami ng lunch and then tsaka tayo magpapatuloy sa ating Moto Ventures or Kingdom Ventures. Alright, so thank you. Friends, napakasarap ng pagkain dito. Ito yung order namin, gising-gising. And then sisig. And then leche flan. And tatlong rice at isang coke. Basta napakasarap. And hindi ko alam kung bakit sobrang sarap nito. I think they are growing their own plants, their own vegetables. Ang galing kasi hindi siya pinilit or binaliwala. Na parang wala kang choice kainin kasi nandito ka sa bundok. Talagang in-effortan nila. Sobrang sarap. Ayan o. Ayan. So we're done with our late lunch. Grabe, napakasarap talaga ng food. Props to the chef. Now we are at our glamping room sa south side ng camping grounds and you can still see the perfect view ng mountain range and ng Rainbow Arc. But later that night, lilipat kami sa camping site where the campers actually pitched their tent. Highly recommended talaga dito, guys. So let's have one of their staff tell us more about Viewscape Nature Park. Ayan. So sige, good morning. Today kasama ko si Sir Emerson from Viewscape Nature Park. Sir, bigyan niyo naman kami ng konting information and invite people to come to your place. Ayan.
Hi, good morning po. Welcome po kayo sa Viewscape Nature Park. 1.5 to 2 hours away from Manila lang po kami na pwede nyo pong, meron naman po mga sakayan. And then, you will experience po rito is sea of clouds, caldera bath, and then stargazing sa gabi. And then, ang flagship to talaga namin is camping. You must experience po talaga camping para po makapag-relax tayo, unwind. Yan po yung mga ano namin dito. And then, as low as 200 ang entrance for day tour and 300 for overnight. And then if you have tent po, magbabayad lang po tayo ng tent pitching fee of 250. And then meron din po kaming nire-rent na tent na for 2 packs is 400. And then 3 packs is 600. And then we have room accommodation naman po, yung aming TP rooms, glamping rooms, 3,500 po. Inclusion na po yung 4 na packs and then may free breakfast for 2.
Yes,
and then libre na po yung parking.
Yan. Alright,
Yan po yung mga accommodation namin dito.
Right, so sir, 'di ba napaka-accessible ng place na to and through Marcos Highway, pwede mong kotse or motor, may parking din dito and maraming nakakalam ng lugar na to so hindi kayo matakot if ever na newbie kayo.
Yes. Well, ano po tayo, well, fence po tayo dito and then we have a guard on duty and then I have access din po sa mga police na meron po kaming ano na they keep on patrolling po dito sa area namin.
So safe na, maganda pa yung view and of course may toilet and bath, nandiyan din yung mga sari-sari store sa labas if ever. Yan. So may Facebook page po ba sila or website?
Yes sir, you can visit us sa Facebook namin yung Viewscape Nature Park and then if you want to book, just one click away lang po tayo doon at then meron na pong sumasagot sa inyong mga inquiry po doon.
Yes, thank you very much. Actually, first time ko lang dito, Sir Elmer. So, and yung experience ko sa Facebook nyo and gaano kadali na nag-reserve ng spot and yung personnel, talagang top notch pati yung food sa Viewscape. Galing nung executive chef nyo talaga.
Okay, maraming po salamat and then hope po mabisit nyo po kami rito and then experience po natin yung camping. Napakasarap po mag-camping.
Yes, sobrang ganda ng Sea of Clouds. So, thank you Sir Elmer and
Salamat
sa
po.
Viewscape Nature Park. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Hello, good evening. And again, this is day 1 dito sa Viewscape Nature Park. And gabi na. And so, we're preparing for dinner. And kanina nag-check-in kami dun sa glamping room. But now, we also rented a tent here para mas maganda yung view. And we could also have a bonfire. Mamayang umaga, mas maganda yung gising kasi di nyo nakikita right now, no? Pero yung view kasi is yung pinaka-edge ng bundok. So, napakaganda ng view and ng place. No? Everyone is just chilling and relax. Ayan. So, my wife is here. And makita nyo siya dyan. No? Ayan. So, yeah. This is again day 1, November 4 of our celebration ng aming wedding anniversary. And then later on, pagpatak ng 12 midnight, we'll be celebrating my birthday. Thank you guys. Yan, so tapos na kami mag-dinner, friends. Tutulog na kami. And this is the end of day 1. So far, if I would review this place, 5 out of 5 from customer service, from the place itself, the view, the amenities, no, the basic needs for camping, and yung comfort. Again, wala akong masasabi. So, again, this is day 1. Good night, everybody.